Hello student, good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, Miss. We are fine. How about you,
I'm
Miss?
good. Thank you. Student, what are you doing on your weekend?
I spend my time watching television and sleeping, Miss.
Yes, holidays are the time to relax and rest. How about the others?
I usually read, Miss.
Wow, that's very good. What book do you usually read?
I typically read novels and storybooks.
Wow, that's exciting, isn't it? Okay, student, have you ever read a person biography or your friend vacation story?
Never miss, ever miss.
Yes. Okay. Some of you have read it and some haven't. And if you have, then you have read a recount text. And that's what we are going to learn in this time. So student, do you know anything about recount text? Have you heard it? Or have you learned anything about it?
No, Miss.
Okay, recount text generally retells past events, and when you read a recount text, there are three sections, such as orientation, events, and reorientation. Orientation provides the setting and introduce the participant. Then events tell about what happened and what's sequence. And the last is reorientation, refers to the closure of the event. Example of the recount text or historical text, person biography, someone experience, and other. So this is short explanation about recount text. It is clear, student? Or you have anything to ask?
Miss, I would like to ask whether newspapers and magazines are included in the recount text.
Okay, that's a good question. Newspaper and magazine include the recount text if they contain past event or things that have happened and are retold. So it depends on the content.
Yes, Miss. Text that tells about past events is a recount text.
Yes, that's right. Do you have anything else to ask?
No, Miss.
Okay, well, if you don't have anything to ask, it means that the material that I have given is clear. Right now, student, you have an assignment. First of all, you choose one of the themes that I have prepared. Because on the 10th November, we're celebrating the National Heroes Day, so the theme that I choose about national heroes. First there are E.R. Sukarno, Muhammad Hatta, Bung Tomo. Out of the three national figures, you choose one of your favorite national figure. And you can choose now.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, after that, you will form a group containing students who choose the same national figures. Okay, please join with your group.
All right, Miss.
Alright, the task that you have to do is make a video that contains national figure that you have chosen. The contents of the video can be in the form of snippet of the struggle carried the figure that you choose. For example, you choose for A.R. Sukarno. You can display full text for the proclamation or the time, the formulation of Pancasila, and other historical event. You can also play this national figure act by depicting historical events that occurred in the past, so you can make this video as creatively as possible. In this video, you can enter the recount that you have, so I will see your progress, and next week, you can show the result of your video. The most creative video will get the prize. It is clear, student?
Yes, Miss.
Do you have anything to ask? Okay, it's ending the class today. See you next week and goodbye.